Investigating the word but. What is but? Is it a preposition? Is it a conjunction? How is it used exactly? First, a false theory. But is not equal to except. Some teachers say that but and except are the same thing, and they argue this. They say they like all cheese but not mozzarella. All cheese is everything. However, there is an exception, and that is mozzarella. So, we could argue that but not equals except. They like all cheese except mozzarella. They like all cheese but not mozzarella. Is this true? Let's test. Let's reverse it. They don't like any cheese except mozzarella. So this means that mozzarella is the exception. It is something that they do like. It is the reverse of what they don't like. But what if we change this with but not? They don't like any cheese but not mozzarella. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That doesn't work. We have a double negative. So we just have to say they don't like any cheese but mozzarella. So sometimes but not equals except, and sometimes but equals except. Like for example, this is negation, so we have to use a positive but to be the opposite of that negation. But if it is a positive sentence, they like any cheese but not mozzarella. Or we could just say but mozzarella. It's short. It's very difficult to nail a rule for this but I would say like this: but not if you are going the reverse of a positive statement, and but if you are going the reverse of a negative statement. My advice for you, if you are not a native speaker, is don't use this. Use except. It's better for that situation. Now, how about a very interesting example? She is only a child. She is nothing else but a child. She is not an adult. She is not an engineer. She is not a scientist. She is only a child. Well, this word only, about 100 years ago, used to be but. She is but a child. It used to be very common. Even my grandparents spoke like this. But I cannot say she is except a child. No, because there is no exception, right? There is nothing to be accepted from. So we have to use but, and that means she is only a child. I don't see any relation between this and the other use I was talking about earlier, but it can be used to mean only. She is a child, but not a happy child. So, she is a child, but not a happy child. Well, this indicates that there is another piece of information we want to add. And in this case, but is like a conjunction. It's like and or. She is a child, but not a happy child. She is a child, but a happy child? No, this does not work. The but must contain a negation, but not a happy child. So when we hear this but after this sentence, we assume that it is a negation. Similarly, If we say she is but a child, she is only a child, this also implies negation. It implies that she is not anything else except a child. Very strange word, this word but. I hope you enjoyed this video and understand that language is not static. It is changing, and it is not rule-driven, it is biologically driven. Thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.